This is a YouTube banner I am working on. And to adjust the YouTube banner size, if you come over to files here, you will see the file size of this design. You see that it's 2560 pixel by 1440 pixel, which is the standard size for YouTube banner. Now, to adjust and get the perfect size for the safe area, the place that will be captured in our phone, to get that perfect size, first let's add a new page and go over to design here. We want to search for any YouTube banner template that catches our attention. Once you see one that catches your attention, I'm going to select this one and place it in my design like so. You see, this is the whole thing that will be seen on the TV when people are watching it on TV. But to get a perfect size for laptop and phones, what you want to do is to come over to elements here and come to shapes. You want to pick a rectangle shape. I'll close this and I'll contrast the color of my rectangle. Let's do blue, and I will expand this, making sure that it's large. Now, this shape here, I will come over to position, and you see down here under advanced here, you can see the size of this rectangle shape we added here. Now, what I'm going to do is to come into the size of this shape and type in 1536 for the width. Please take note of the size. And come over to the height and type 423 for the height. You see what it did to my shape? It has reduced my shape. Now, I want to come and make this shape to the middle and to the center, and go over to layers, and you will see everything that is on this thumbnail that is being used. You want to scroll down and bring your shape down. If you look now, you see that red ribbon, this red here, is the last thing on the design. You want to bring it down under the red and come to the blue shape and lock it. That way, when you're designing, if you click on this red shape now, we can now trim it down to meet the blue. Trim this one down to meet the blue. See, it's moving out the whole thing the way we know they are aligned. You want to scroll up and come over to arrange, making sure your red is in the middle and in the center. You can still see from here that the red is the height of the red. You can just type into the height of the red. Control A, 4, 2, 3, enter. Now that we have this perfectly, the perfect width, you want to click on this text. Click on the text box if you need the text box and place it like so. Bring it down. You want to put everything that would appear in the phone to show up in this place. Now that we have this in place, let's go back into our layers and come to this blue shape. So you see where the face is when we clicked on the blue shape. You want to click on the frame and maybe size it down, bring it closer, go back into position, arrange, and make sure it's on the middle, which is where it is. And if we still go back to layers and come down and click on this shape again, you see that our text spilled out. So I'll click on all the text box and reduce the size. Let me reduce further and still go back into this shape. You see this one is so spilled out, but others has come in. I'll select this one alone and reduce the font size further. And I will tap on enjoy live and I will increase it to meet L. If you click on the blue shape, you see everything came into this place. And this whole line is what we'll be seeing on YouTube when you're using a laptop. But this part is what we'll be seeing on your phone. Once you have everything perfectly aligned like this, you can now click on the blue shape and click this icon to unlock it. Click again. Then you can now take out this shape before you download